Hi all. So in my last class, I stopped till to this point. I asked you that is any way, any through which we can get all data at one shot. Maybe here I wrote name. Maybe here I will write email. See, maybe here I will need to write parent detail, right? Parent contact. These all fields. Phone. All these fields I need to enter manually, which will be little time taking for me. Now if I execute, all details will come. See, but I don't want that. I don't want to type everything one by one. I want that in one SOQL, every field will be displayed to me. Can it possible? Yes, it is possible. There is some new updates. So for your understanding, what I'm going to do, I will show you. Here in latest update of Salesforce, what we can do is at one shot we can select every field instead of giving the name. For example, this is the first approach through which we can get all those, right? We don't want that. What I need to do, erase all. I will tell that select fields, fields bracket, I will type all from, then for which object I want. Maybe this will be my student object, so I will go here and type student. I need to copy student URL. Go here, click execute. So basically now what will happen, these are 1 2 3 4, only 4 fields were shown, right? If you go here and the students, there are actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 fields are there, but actually it's more than 7 fields. So now once you click all, it will show you actually all the fields. Let me click here. Some error. SQL function must have limit of 200. Okay. Is I made a mistake? Select. Okay. So fields function must. Let it be make it little more simple. I will give one condition where email underscore underscore c equal to student1@gmail.com. Okay, guys, give me a moment. Let me check what's the issue. Guys, actually, what happened with this new update? There's a small restriction. We can only able to see by this query. We can able to see the all the fields of this object. Okay, but only up to 200 records. More than that, it will throw an error. So if I click execute right now, it will throw an error. What's the error it will throw? The SOQL fields function must have limit of at most 200. So up to 200 record it will show. So here it is mandatory that we need to set a limit. So let me give a limit. Limit will be 10 because 10 records only we have made, right? So let me click on execute now. You can see guys, ID was there, owner ID was shown, no. Is delete field. In case if you don't know, if assume that this record is there, if I delete this record, so right now is false, but if this record is deleted, it will show as true. Student name, the day we created by the ID, last modified date, every detail it's shown. So by this query, we can get all these details. So guys, this is just the latest update in Salesforce. So watching for more updates, more advanced updates of Salesforce, whether it's in Lightning, whether it's in integration, whether it's in Apex. Kindly like and subscribe my channel, share my videos because that's the only motivation. From my end, I will come with new topics. Meanwhile, if you find anything difficult, kindly contact me in my Instagram or in my Facebook or in my LinkedIn. Thank you for giving your valuable time.